Hey Cafe crew, it's Colin Smith here from photoshopCAFE.com, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 3. So this is really interesting. I've never used anything but an iPhone, and they just contacted me and said they wanted to send this to me. Now the cool thing about it is this is not a sponsored video. Yes, I got this given for free, but they said I can say anything I want or do anything I want with it. So there's no like, you have to say this in order to get this product. So anyway, let's have a look and see what's inside this box of goodies. One thing you might notice is my voice is a little bit weird, and that's because I just literally 2 hours ago got home from Adobe Max conference, which was an amazing conference, but I spoke 7 times, which is why my voice is a little hoarse. So anyway, thanks for those who came to my sessions, by the way. It was great seeing you all. I've got this here in a big Google box, and let's see what's inside here. All right, so we have a Google Pixel stand. We've got a brochure here. It says Meet Pixel 3 and some pages. So I'm definitely going to be reading this because I don't know anything about any phone except for an iPhone. And I got a case. Sweet. And we got a bag. I guess this is a fanny pack. And of course we have the phone. All right, so let's have a look at the phone. By the way, thank you, Google. I appreciate this. And I guess I should show you. It looks like that. The box comes out. Pop it open, and this is the phone. Let's see what else it comes with, because I literally have never unboxed anything but an iPhone before. This, oh, headphones. Interesting. What do we got? Okay, so we have the headphones. Interesting. So it looks like they use a USB-C connection on there. So I'm going to guess there's no headphone jack on there as well. A USB-C to USB-C cable. Adapter. USB-C to USB 3. Apple. Why don't you have these adapters with your products? And of course, headphone jack adapter. Seems to be the way of the times. And a power charging brick. So that's how we charge our phone, through USB-C. Great. So here it is. Feels nice. Okay, let's crack it open. Yeah. Ooh, it's got a thumbprint thing on the back. I like that. There's the camera, flash, single lens camera, dual lens camera on the front. Okay, so here's the phone. There's the front and the back. All right, so right now it's the next day. So I've got a little bit more energy. I had some sleep last night, and I also had an opportunity to play around with this phone a little bit, install some apps on it, and kind of figure out how it works. Now, I haven't attempted to use an Android phone or device in many years, and I started playing around with this a little bit. It's definitely changed a lot. It's a lot more intuitive with the Play Store and different things like that. But, it has a thumb ID on the back. Notice I've got the nice case on here, by the way, that they gave me. It was very nice. So anyway, there's a few things about this phone I do want to talk about. I'm going to do a more comprehensive review later on, and that's also going to include taking the XS and the Pixel 3, and I'm going to go out and take some photos, and we can compare the photos. Just from what I did, taking a few pictures last night and this morning, one of the things I have noticed, though, that the low light on this is really good. The other thing, on portrait mode, at least the front-facing camera, it can also do the depth, where you adjust the depth of field. It can do that as well. It's got a single camera on the front, and, actually on the back. It's got a single camera on the back. It uses the thumb ID rather than facial recognition. I like the screen. It's nice and bright. And there's a couple of cool little gestures on this. So for example, if you're using the phone and you put it down like that, it automatically goes into Do Not Disturb mode. The other one I like is if you get it and you just kind of do that twice, it'll switch cameras. So you just kind of turn it like that, and that'll go from front-facing camera to the rear-facing camera, just like that, just by turning it a little bit like that. That's pretty cool. The other thing that I found really neat is I was playing around with the Pixel stand here, which is for the charging, and you can actually just pop it on there, and it will start charging even through the case. So that's actually pretty cool. And the other thing I kind of wondered about was like, would that work on the iPhone? And I just put my iPhone on there, and yes, sure enough, the iPhone will actually charge on that as well. So if nothing else, we've got a really good wireless charging base here. Whoa, hang on. and apparently it remote controls my desk. I'm kidding. So anyway, so first impressions on this, I'm actually quite impressed. The screen, the size of the phone is very much about the size of the iPhone S, the XS, 10S, whatever you want to call it, a little bit taller. As far as a notch, yes, this has a notch as well, but most of the apps cover up the notch so you don't really see it most of the time. I know there was a lot of rumors about this, and you know, when it came out, it was pretty much like all those rumors were true. Okay, so I'm going to use this for a little while and see how it is. And in about a week or so, I'm going to do another video, and I'll make it, you know, an iPhone user's first impression of an Android for a week, 7 days of an Android, or something like that. I don't know, using the Pixel phone. What would you like me to test? Let me know in the comments underneath. Also, let me know in the comments underneath if you even want me to do that video. I'm definitely going to do a camera test, but if there's other questions or things that you would like me to include, drop those in the comments underneath, and I'll look at that when I'm putting together the next video. So anyway, guys, this is just a first little look into this. So here I am now in the world of Pixel 3. And of course, my main phone is still the iPhone XS. And we'll see how it goes. So I'll throw up a few pictures from this, show you what it's like. So far, so good. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you're not part of the Cafe crew, hit the subscribe button right now and you'll get a new video from me every single week. If you like this video, smash that like button into dust. And once again, drop that comment. Let me know what it is you'd like me to test on here, and I'll do my best to accommodate you. So until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.